Hi guys, this is Gerrys Fashion. For today's video is about unboxing another product that I bought at SM City. Because we're going to have a treat, so we're going to open this. And look at this one. I bought a travel bag. Yes. We're going to open it. Yahoo! This is my bag. It's a Hook is 1978 authentic trademark. So this is it. I love this, guys. It's a quality product. It has a very nice compartment. Oh, there's a lot of compartment, guys. Really. This is the product. See? There's a lot of compartment. Then another one. Meron siya dito. Tapos pwede rin natin buksan another compartment. Then sa loob, marami siyang organizers. Meron pa maliit. Tapos dito sa gilid meron. Tapos dito rin. Tapos sa loob yun dito. See. That. Then you can open this one also. And if you want to put your laptop here, you can put your laptop here. You have a very nice organizer. And this one, guys. So I love this. I choose this because this is one of the quality product. I like Hook also. So I like the color gray and black. Yes. Then I'm going to use this because by 10 o'clock we have a flight 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna ride in the airplane. So I love this. So, thanks for watching. This is Gerrys Fashion. It's a Hook bag for traveling.